Hi everyone, this is the coffee grinder timer that I made last week. What it does is it controls the on-off time of my coffee grinder so that I can get a more precise and accurate dose during espresso making. It doesn't require any modification from your grinder as long as there is an on-off switch from your grinder. What you need to do is you plug your grinder into this socket here and then you attach the power cable from the timer into the power supply in the wall. I'll show you from the back. So this one is the power cable from my coffee grinder. I attach this into here. And then I attach the power cable from the timer into the power supply from the wall. To activate this timer, you turn this switch on. And here it goes. The timer is already activated. So I have set it at 8 seconds. So what it does is it will stop the coffee grinder after 8 seconds. To start everything, you need to turn on your coffee grinder. And then you press the start button from the timer. I'll show you again. So it stopped the coffee grinder after 8 seconds. So if you want to dose less, you just decrease the time in here. Let's say 2 seconds, 2.01 seconds. And then it gives you a smaller dose. See that? There's not much coffee grinds coming out. Okay, this is my new toys. Thank you everyone for watching.